hi guys.
Yeah, clean up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how I deco. Not really deco, but bring some life into this old planner. I already did by adding some stickers.
Put all your toys up. Alright.
Sorry about any background noises. I added some stickers to give it some life, but didn't really do much. So I'm gonna completely add some stuff into it, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so sorry about that. So I'm gonna tell you what I did here. So I just put this Chuck E. Cheese card there, and then I put some a memo pad, a Hello Kitty memo pad there, some little envelopes that came from a memo pad. I have another Hello Kitty memo pad, and then I have my Post-it notes over here. Yeah, a lot of note taking. Yeah. And I have this Post-it markers, flags, whatever you guys want to call them. I have these two pens. They're like mini pens. They're so cute. And I got them because I have a tiny pencil. I really needed that. And I have my marker. And so, yeah. And here I have my Hello Kitty stencil, my Post-it notebook, and a Sharpie highlighter, a blue one. I couldn't find my pink one, so I had to do with what I had. So I have this little memo pad. So I'm just gonna stick it right here in this black slab right here. Then I have this notebook that I'm gonna put on this side. So, and then I have this pencil, so just stick it in there. So, and when it closes, it's gonna look like this. Yes, it actually does all fit. That's how fat it looks. That's how big it looks. Yeah. Alright, so that was me decorating the planner. Like, it looks so boring, and then you open it. Oh snap, it's alive! Woo! So, yeah. So, as you guys noticed, most of my stuff that I just showed you. So, what I did for this side is I just added some stickers on this. I don't know if you guys can like see it, but so I added a sticker on this. It's like a ruler that can like come out. So yeah. And then I added these little clear plastic pages in. They're from a projector. So I have one. So yeah, that's what this gray erase marker is for. Like if my pencils are out of lead and don't have any more. But yeah. And this was like the title page, but I had scribbles on it, so I just put some pink paper on there. And this is my folder that I made. OMG, so pretty. Okay, so let's just look inside again. Alright, so yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys that I added more stuff in here, but yeah, so I'm just gonna put this notebook in here, because I just added this notepad and this, and so I want to have, so I want to have like a notebook in here. Sorry about that, that's just like annoying them. I wanted to put this thing in here. It's like stickers and stuff, but it was just like too much, so I didn't. Yeah, and I also have another one which I'm gonna work on cleaning up and stuff and decorating it, and then I'm gonna sell it because I'm not using this one. It's like it's too tiny. All right, so yeah, that is what I did. Yeah. All right, so this is what it looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from the bottom. This is what it looks like in the front. It was like so plain and black, so I just added some stickers. Yeah. This is just like a flower sticker, and these are just like soccer ball cakes, purses, flowers, teddy bears, apples, stars, hats, soccer balls, purses, cakes, bows, and yeah, pretty much is all that's on here.
I can go talk to you.
But
I can. I'm glad.
so this was like really, really cute. I know my bed is like a mess right now. This is just a blanket and a pillow. This is my other blanket. So yeah. Guys, shush. Shh. All right. So.
Move.
Yeah.
So move your stuff.
Okay. So, bye guys. See you guys on my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys do this, like and subscribe. If you haven't already, which I'm pretty sure you probably haven't. But if you are the first person to like this video, you will get the small one like this. Well, it's not technically like. It looks like this. I have to print out the papers and reorganize, like take this stuff off and stuff. You know, I just have to like clean it. But I'm gonna do another video when it's all clean and stuff, and I got all my papers and stuff out of here. So yeah, when that's all done, I'm gonna show you guys. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.